Hello everyone, Samuel from creativetradingsystems.com, making a small video about weekly recap, trades taken last week. So let's get started. Week started on 18th July. So this is the first trade, pound yen, 20-minute chart, buy entry here. Every single trade is taken by the rule, by the setup, which I call it like creative IB setup. Used to call it magic IB setup, but the same thing. It requires 4 conditions to be there at the same time. Then I pull the trigger. So you will see everything is the same setup. So this is buy order here, pound yen 20-minute chart for 80 pip. This was on the 85 pip euro yen. This was euro NUSI for 70 pip to the long side on the 18th. On the 18th, also pound NUSI buy order here for 55 pip. Here on the 19th now, pound NUSI again. This was the first one, and coming down here, the second one for 90 pip, and euro USD going to the upside, 90 pip on the 19th for 85 pip, and this one is EUR-CAD buy order here, 19th on the 19th for 110 pip. Now here, this was pound USD 65 pip long side. On the 19th, also 55 pip for pound CAD buy order here, and this one on the 19th, 75 pip to the downside USD-CAD. This was okay. This is Aussie yen on the 19th for buy order here from the 20-minute chart for 90 pip. This is euro yen on the 19th for 75 pip, the long side. This is pound yen on the 19th, 75 pip to the upside. This is gold going down here from 1713 to 1692. On the 22nd, the 20th and 21st, there was no trade. Usually what happened, when you have trade, then the price retraces. And when it retraces, the setup is not there. Actually, the price is moving against the trend, and then setups are ready, and then goes away from the wave again. So 20th and 21st, the setups were building, and on 22nd, you can see here euro yen to the downside, 135 pip, and then USD yen for 170 pip to the downside on the 22nd, which is Friday. And a USD-CAD, this was the first one, and then again it retraced, and like I said, that the trade, the retracement, and again the trade. So on the 22nd, and then gold was after going down, and bouncing from 1684. And here is a beautiful entry. The entry was, this was the entry, this was the entry, here's the entry, here's the entry. So a lot of entries of the system is beautiful. So this is the entry here, and went all the way up. And here, last trade is Aussie yen, also on the 22nd, today on Friday, for the downside sell order for 90 pip. So these are the trades taken, and they all like yen, all yen pairs went down today, right? Aussie yen, USD yen, euro yen, and also pound yen, CAD yen, all went down, but I missed the trade of the pound yen. And the reason was that I had weekly chart of yen index showing that it's going to drop, the yen is going to get strong, and all yen pair will be going down. Similarly, here's like USD index chart. I made this all weekly and monthly chart as well, but this is the one that you can see that it's a nice 80-minute chart showing the harmonic pattern will be finished here around 1753 as a monthly high, and after that it will go up first, hit that area, and then drop. That's exactly, it's like showing here. So that's exactly what happened on this. You can see as of today, it went up there and then it started dropping. And as of today, it was here on the 22nd. And it has to come down a lot more to go to the downside. My weekly chart showing a big drop. And USD dropping means USD getting weaker, and Euro USD, Pound USD, Aussie USD, and NUSI USD, they will be going up. And USD-CAD, USD franc, and USD yen will be going down. That's why you saw the USD-CAD couple of trades and USD yen for 170 pip going down. That's the reason. NUSI USD and Aussie USD, I don't even trade. Nowadays, I'm not watching those charts. And Euro USD and Pound USD, I didn't watch this week, so I don't have any trade of those. You have to pay attention to which currency is moving, especially the news, right? So if the news is there, and then that currency or the all the pairs that are involving that currency, which has the news coming, they will be moving. So just pay attention to those, and you will find the setups. Like I said, that I have to have a setup and a system. I cannot trade without the system, because I learned over the year that the human emotion involved, and then we make a lot of mistakes without the setup. Setup, you make your trade like a robot. That's it, without any emotions. So that's how it is. This is why I have the system built, and it works beautifully. Right. So if you like what you saw, you want to get it, you want to get the system, you want to learn about it, and you want to trade like this, go on my website, creativetradingsystems.com, and subscribe and start learning. Right. I also have the Telegram. My old Telegram channel got shot. Somebody leaked my phone number, and I was added to like hundreds and hundreds of groups every single day. So I said, so the hell with it, and I closed that and opened a new account here at Telegram. And what it is that I post setup update, like if the setup is about to build, long setup, short setup with the pairs, I post over there. And again, a lot of charts like this, weekly charts, 80-minute, 40-minute charts with the setups. I constantly post on the Telegram for my subscribers only. All right, so you get that. So yeah, that's it. And like I said, that you can go to my website, creativetradingsystems.com, subscribe there, and start learning. And if you need to learn everything from A to Z and understand the whole market and become master of it, then I also have a one-on-one course, which is on my website, so you can become a part of that, get that, and that would be like 10-hour course, one-on-one over the Zoom live with me. And I'll teach you almost every single thing has to do with Forex. All right, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful weekend.